They think they're big, they're tough, they're physical. They ain't seen us. We better than them. Yeah. Play physical, play strong, play together, win a f***ing game.
How did you feel after last week's victory, man? Right. You felt great, right? That's because it was earned, man. You gotta go out there every play and earn it. And you gotta take it, man. When I shoot, I score. When you shoot, I score. Win on three, win on three, 1, 2, 3, win.
Hunting season is in the air from Minneapolis.
The blitz is on. Rosen's pass is blocked.
And off Latavius. Room to the right side. Latavius to the 50. He's to the Cards 40. And he's upended at the 35-yard line. The Tay train nearly got loose. Cousins under center, hands to Latavius, shoots to the left, gets to the 15, stiff arm at the 10, 5, touchdown! Latavius Murray!
Latavius Murray just delivers a vicious stiff arm.
Put a fist in your chest. Oh, that was pretty.
Vikings start with a nickel defense against Rosen, who's under center. Puts Christian Kirk in motion to the backfield. He'll hand it to David Johnson to the left side. Angles to the right. He dropped the ball and the Vikings recovered it. It is a fumble and the Vikings recovered it at the 31-yard line. Yes, they did! Rosen facing a blitz, hit by McKenzie, and sacked at the 19-yard line. An edge blitz by Mackenzie Alexander, sacked this season for McKenzie, and these birds are punting again. Fourth and goal from the 1, tight end in motion to the left, offset eye left, handoff David Johnson. He's stuck and he's hit, and he didn't get it. It's Xavier Rhodes. Daniil Hunter with the sack. 6 sacks, 6 consecutive games.
Yep. Hey, that's because you, bro. You couldn't step up. I got you.
Third down, Kirk back to pass, hit as he throws left, and it's caught in front of the Vikings bench. Yes, first down. Great catch by Adam Thielen at the Cardinals 45.
This is unbelievable.
Handoff goes to Boone. Spurts up the middle to the 40. Boone's to the 30, center of the field. Lowers the helmet on Trey Boston, and Trey paid for it. And Boone gets down to the 22. 10th play of the possession. Vikings 2 of 8 on third down, empty backfield. 3 receivers left, 2 right, Stephon Diggs slot right. Cousins back to pass, fires to the end zone, caught, touchdown! Adam Thielen, you're unstoppable!
An amazing route by Adam Thielen, and what a great throw by Kirk Cousins.
That drive was Cousins and Thielen.
Let's go, Mike. You got us going, baby. You got us going. Way to run the ball. That's the double dip. That's the double dip.
fight.
Cardinals 0 of 6 on third down, 3rd and 7 from their own 10. Rosen with 5 on the play clock walks up to the center. Mason Cole, he's begging for the snap. He gets it on third down. He's hit and he's sacked. It was Harrison Smith with a safety blitz, and he smacked that rookie back at the 1. To the outside, Latavius to the 30, to the 25, to the 20, and he's down at the 8-yard line.
Big run by Latavius Murray.
2nd and goal. Cousins out of the shotgun. He's going to fake the handoff. Angles to the right.
Keeping it and running it for a touchdown.
Are you kidding me?
Touchdown! Kirk Cousins with the rushing touchdown, and Minnesota leads 26-10.
And there's that celebration. What is that celebration? This Vikings offense is something else right now.
From the week 1.
Hey, great punt. The hips are a little stiff on the dance.
They're so stiff.
A little stiff.
Funny is.
Wilson throws, intercepted. Anthony Harris stepped in front of the receiver and picked it off.
Anthony Harris picked off Josh Rosen. Well done, young man.
Anthony Harris saw that route coming, knew it was going to Larry Fitzgerald, and just robbed that football.
Both of y'all, man. Hey, let me think on this is you, man. Yeah, that's next time, man.
I could not get up.
I know.
I'm trying to pick you up. I was trying.
They rush 4, and they get to him.
And Josh Rosen is sacked for a 4th time today. It's Daniil Hunter with his 2nd. And off Latavius, scoots to the left side, shakes a tackle, and he wins the game. He gets to the 40, to the 30. Latavius is down at the 28-yard line. Latavius Murray with a game-sealing 28-yard run, and Minnesota wins 27-17.